She has done it again. Filipina Jiu-Jitsu star Annie Ramirez ruled the continent once more, winning the gold medal in the women's 57-kilogram division of the 2026 Asian Jiu-Jitsu Championships in Jordan. Now set to compete in a new weight class for next year's Asian Games, the multi-time international champion continues to evolve her game while carrying the Philippine flag on the world stage. Joining us now is reigning Asian Jiu-Jitsu champion Annie Ramirez. Annie, welcome back to the scorecard.
Hi, hello. Good evening, Anton, and sa lahat nakikinig ng The Scorecard.
Maraming salamat sa oras mo, Annie, and congratulations on another Asian Championship gold. Ano pa ba ang biggest motivation mo to keep competing and beating Asia's best, Annie?
I think, yung preparation, syempre, yung hard work na ginagawa ko, then yung mga taong naniniwala sa kakayahan ko at sumusuporta sa akin.
Annie, you've already won world titles, meron ka na ring Asian Games gold, at ngayon, panibagong Asian Championship. Saan mo ilalagay ang medal na ito sa career mo at bakit ito special para sa'yo?
Yung gusto ko sa ilalagay, siguro, i-keep ko na lang kasi wala na talagang mapaglagyan. I think, importante sa akin yung Asian Championship stint ko this time kasi mas nakita ko na mas nag-evolve ako as an athlete. So, yung mga ina-upgrade ko na techniques, gagawa ko na siya during the competition.
Now, that's good to hear, Annie. And one of the things na pinag-usapan mo rin before was about overcoming anxiety. So, paano nakaka-apekto ang experience na yon sa mindset mo ngayon, especially sumasaba ka sa mga high-pressure na match?
Ang maganda doon kasi daanan ko na siya before, so alam ko na kung paano ko i-handle yung sarili ko during that moment, di ba? Kung paano ko hingi ng tulong sa sports psych if necessary before the matches or ganon. So mas ko na siya, mas control ko na siya unlike before.
Annie, kanina you mentioned na marami kang dinagdag na mga techniques. So, ang dinagdag mo, mga leg locks, mga bagong submission techniques. Gaano kahalaga ang patuloy na pag-evolve ng game mo? Especially ngayon, napapanood ka na ng mga nakakalaban mo and maybe they have a breakdown or a scouting report sa mga strengths mo.
Yes, like sinabi mo, ngayon kasi is very high-tech na. Sa lahat ng mga matches ko is naka-record. I mean, one click away ka lang sa internet, diba? So, yun nga, importante yung nag-upgrade ka ng moves or techniques. Siyempre, aside dun sa favorite technique ko before, na sinasharpen ko pa rin naman, yung in-add ko is, just in case na hindi mag-work yung first move ko, yun yung mga follow-through. Then, mas nag-i-strength and conditioning na rin ako than the usual. So, ayun. Keep adding talaga kasi kailangan nag-evolve ka talaga kasi nababantayan ka ng kalaban mo. So, at least, busy sila para depensahan yung mga pwede mong gawin rather than alam na nila yung gagawin mo na ito na yung gagawin niya. So, kung may bago kang ibibigay, mas sila, busy silang depensahan niya.
Annie, ngayon na nakamit mo na yung Asian title, all eyes are now on the upcoming World Championships at syempre, yung Asian Games. Anong next goal mo at ano pa ang gusto mong ma-achieve para sa Pilipinas?
Syempre, sana ma-defend ko yung World Championship muna. Then after that World Championship is yung Asian Games. Ibang weight category yung Asian Games for this time, pero wala namang imposible basta naghahanda ka.
Alright, ito Annie, you'll be competing in the women's 52-kilogram division at the Asian Games, tama ba? After dominating at 57 kilograms.
Yes,
so,
tama.
Annie, ano ang biggest challenge ng pagbaba ng weight and how are you making sure na hindi to makakaapekto sa performance mo?
Actually, na-try kong bumaba ng 52 early this year. So, as per performance naman, okay naman. Sobrang malakas ako, pakiramdam ko, maganda yung performance ko. Ang ano lang is yung paano ka bababa ng 52. Yun lang yung, I think, the biggest challenge. Kasi yung 57 nga, nag-weight cut ako eh. What more na lang sa 52. So, it's another times 2 ng weight cutting. Pero hindi naman din imposible yun as long as proper calorie deficit, then training, then mindset, and syempre, di ba? Kaya naman yun. Hindi naman malabong magawa ulit na bumaba ng 52.
All right. Well, Annie, again, best of luck and congratulations again on this latest championship. And we wish you continued success as you continue to raise the flag here in the Philippines and all over the world.
Thank you, Anton.
Thank you very much, Annie. Mabuhay ka. Annie Ramirez, our Jiu-Jitsu champion, here with us on The Scorecard.